Imagine waking up in a world where your daily meal isn't just a habit, it's a fight for survival. No refrigerators, no microwaves, no DoorDash, just raw instinct, a spear, and an empty stomach. What would you eat? How would you survive? Today, we're diving into the ultimate prehistoric mystery. What did humans eat? Thousands no, millions of years ago. And spoiler alert, they weren't chasing TikTok, food trends, or arguing over pineapple on pizza. But here's the twist: our ancestors weren't just mindlessly gnawing on raw meat. Their diets, their cooking, and even their accidental recipes tell an incredible story of innovation, resilience, and, let's be honest, a lot of trial and error. Ready to bite into this ancient adventure? Let's go! Picture this. It's 40,000 years ago. You're a hunter-gatherer. The sun's beating down, and you've just tracked a mammoth for hours. Suddenly, the mammoth charges. Would you risk it all for the ultimate steak? Prehistoric humans did. They hunted giant beasts like mammoths and bison, roasted them over open fires, and celebrated their victory with meals that could probably feed an entire village. Funny thing, these steaks weren't seasoned with gourmet spices. If they were lucky, maybe some wild garlic or salt they stumbled across. Primitive, yes, but survival, epic. Speaking of epic, let's pause here for a second. Imagine roasting a mammoth leg over a fire today. Would you call it paleo BBQ or caveman cuisine? Let me know in the comments. But meat wasn't everything. Our ancestors were foodies in their own way, foraging for nuts, berries, and roots to balance their plates. Think of it as nature's original organic superfoods. No labels, no marketing, just survival. And if you think this sounds simple, here's the kicker. Some of these plants were dangerous. Think deadly berries or bitter roots. One wrong choice, and you'd be dinner for the wolves instead. Let's fast forward to about 14,000 years ago. Imagine a group of early humans sitting around a fire, mashing wild grains and tubers into dough, slapping it onto hot stones, and accidentally inventing flatbread? Yes, that's right, prehistoric pizza crust. And you thought pizza's origin story was Italian. Now here's the cliffhanger. Did they eat it plain, or did they discover toppings? You won't believe the answer. By the time humans learned to boil water using animal hides as makeshift pots, yes, seriously, they were whipping up stews with fish, tubers, and whatever greens they could find. Picture it, prehistoric soups bubbling over fires, probably with everyone debating whose recipe was better. Sound familiar? It's mind-blowing, isn't it? Humans, even back then, were experimenting, innovating, and building a food culture that's connected to the way we eat now. If you're curious about how ancient innovations shaped modern tech, don't miss the video linked here. Like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing stories of human evolution and creativity.